In this video, I'm going to talk about converting a test case to a template. This is done for reusing a test case multiple times. I will use the vehicle insurance application from Tricentis. In this website, you can get an insurance for your car. I have a test case which is testing the website to get an insurance for an Audi. But in the website, you can select multiple car brands. I can make multiple test cases with a few clicks which test multiple brands. For example, the Ford or Honda. I will make use of the test data input sheet and the template. The sheet is already prepared and I'm going to convert the test case to a template. I copied the test case and I deleted all the values. Now I can right-click and then convert to template. You have to pair the test case design with the template. The template is the blue folder. Here you can see what you do. This is also called the fiscal test case. You can see the template as a blueprint. It's a blueprint of the test case. In here you put when to click, where to fill something in. Then you have the red folder, the test case design folder. In here you have the test sheet. This is the logical test case. Here is the data you want to test. To pair the template and the test sheet, you just simply drag and drop. Then you can see the reference to the template. It is by an XL. You can see XL process enter vehicle data make. If I go to the test sheet and go to process enter vehicle data make, you can see Audi or BMW. You have to check if everything is correct because sometimes it's incorrect or sometimes it's not filled in. So here the date of the manufacturing isn't filled in, so I'm going to drag and drop it. Once you combined the test sheet with the template, you can create template instances. You can right-click on the template, then the mini toolbar and create template instances. As you can see, now you have 15 test cases. These instances are in line with the template instances. Now we have 15 test cases with different car brands. However, we can also make a test case with, for example, an Audi, but the fuel type gas. That's easy. Then I click here to Control Dot, BMW gas, and I change the fuel type to gas. Then I go back to the template, reinitiate template, and here you can see the new test case, BMW gas. So with a few clicks you have a new variation of the test case. At the moment we have a template with instances and all the instances are running smoothly to the end of the test case. We can also add an instance with an invalid value. For example, if I type here a future date, I will get an error message, must be today or somewhere in the past. I can add this in my sheet as BMW manufacturing date in the future. As you can see, the toggle is an invalid. In this instance, the message wrong date is true because we can see the pop-up with wrong date message. And in the other test cases, the message wrong date is false because there's no message. Now I add a condition for the steps. For the valid data, I drag and drop the message wrong date and fill in is false. Because if it's valid, then we don't get the message wrong date error. For the test cases which are valid, I want Tosca to go in this step, so I add the condition false. Here, with the invalid data, I expect that the message will pop up, and also I verify that it will pop up. So, true. For the invalid test case, so 20 years in the future, I don't want to go to the other steps like enter insurance data, enter product data, etc. Also, I simply drag and drop and I only want to go to this test case if the message wrong data is false. So now I re-instantiate the instance, and here I see the new test case with BMW manufacturing date future. If I look into the BMW manufacturing date in the future, if I go to the process, I only see the enter vehicle data and I don't see the other steps, and I see the enter vehicle data invalid. This is useful because now it's clean and Tosca only executes the necessary steps. In this video, I explained about templates and how to instantiate them to template instances. So with this, you can create from one test case, multiple test cases. You can use this for happy flow test cases and unhappy flow test cases.